Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML ID and class attributes. HTML ID uniquely identifies an HTML element. It is also used in JavaScript to access and manipulate an HTML element. HTML class attribute is often used in CSS, that is cascading style sheet, and it is also used in JavaScript to access and manipulate a single or multiple HTML elements together. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, then Save. File name class and id.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol, then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title, class and id. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. In the HTML file, we have created two div elements, and there we are using id and class attributes. id is unique. We cannot use the same id in multiple HTML elements in the same HTML page, but we could use same class name in multiple HTML elements in the same HTML page. In class attribute, we could use multiple class names separated by white space, but in id attribute, we could use only one id. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.